And this is what the sign says. Welcome, West Coast RC Flyers, Napa Valley, learn to fly for free. I'm definitely doing that. And there you guys are. Napa, so if you guys come on down, they do have an airport. You just gotta get approved for it. That thing is sick. Look at that thing, is going quick, boy. I see airplane. It's an airport in Napa. That dude is sick. You gotta have a permit to fly here, guys. I don't have one yet, but I think I'm gonna look into it. It's hard to fucking get in the film, but it is flying.